Hi, in front of me is HTC Desire 20 Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can download and apply LED keyboard on this device. Start by opening Play Store. Now you need to type LED keyboard and download this app from this developer. Now open it. Tap Get Started, then click OK, tap on the switcher next to LED keyboard and select OK again. After that, you need to click on Input Options and select LED keyboard one more time. Now pick one of the options, and when you're done, select keyboard that you like the best. I will go with that one, so I have to tap on it, close the nut, close the nut, and tap Get Theme. Now when I click Home button and see my keyboard, I can see that theme of my keyboard was successfully changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!